channel. Today we're gonna make French toast. French toast.
Yes, last.
So
Don't leave
we'll,
it up.
we'll do it. So first, you need an egg. Only one egg, not too much. So now we'll crack it.
2 eggs or 3 eggs if you're insane.
Yeah, maybe I'll do it. Bowl.
Just do it on the bowl.
Whatever it is. Now my sister is gonna whisk it.
I'm trying to.
Faster, faster.
There's really nothing.
No, just do it like this. Now we're gonna add the milk. Milk.
Hope the dog don't come. Just like the Milky Way. He likes milk a lot. Almost like the same color as my shirt.
Here.
Do I add? Okay.
And
Add
I'll
the
whisk.
How do I?
Okay.
Now we're gonna add vanilla essence. Okay, just. Now he closed the side. Okay, now he's whisking it.
Now my sister had accidentally just added too much.
Now it's
Okay.
a nice shade of brown.
And now look at it. Well, we'll have too much vanilla essence. The pancakes today.
It's not pancake, it's French toast.
French toast.
But you should go see our pancake video.
Okay, now my sister is gonna add the sugar. A little more than you. Here, I'll add it.
Like this?
No, honey. A little more.
Too much.
Okay, now I'm gonna whisk it.
Everybody loves sugar.
Okay, we added the salt off camera,
Yeah, but we did add it.
and now I'm gonna whisk it.
Yeah. And say hello to cherries. Say hello to strawberries.
Say hello to grapes.
Say hello to apple and avocado. Okay. I'm allergic to avocado. And then at the end we'll add these as toppings to go with our French toast. I would really like some grapes. In fact, I'm gonna eat grapes. These are my grapes for me to eat. That's them now. For some reason, I should have more.
Every time boring.
Now we need some bread. Let's have a laptop.
Let's have a laptop too.
Okay, just give us a few moments.
Okay, now we're gonna
we still
add.
step how to make a French toast.
And
We wasn't sure.
now,
But go to see this was all good. So
now we have to add this on.
the bread / laptop.
There. Now my mom had added melted butter. You see it? All the drops. Now she's gonna add this on it. Whatever you call it. Now my mom is gonna flip it. Or you could say, now my mom is gonna flip the toast.
French toast.
No, I am.
Do mine.
No, I am.
Do mine. Now? I do have mine. Yeah. Okay, I got mine. Now I'm gonna take the French toast. Okay, French toast. Which one?
Whichever you like.
10,000 minutes later. I pick this one. It's the smallest one I could pick. We'll see. Oh, wow. It's actually that. Now I'm going to taste it. This is fantastic. Maybe because this.
Baby display.
Which one is your favorite?
Okay,
And look at all the guys over there.
now we'll do a
I'll
taste
show the guys.
test.
Are you ready?
First, grape with syrup. Yeah, maybe I'll do normal grapes.
I want a grape. What's a grape? We have a grape. Again, now I want to taste these, even though I already. 10,000 years later. Okay, he told me to pick that one because it's been 10,000 years. That was fantastic, including the grapes. La la, that was fun. Look at.
You didn't like it?
Hmm?
You didn't like it?
I like it.
I don't think he likes it, guys.
I
What?
like it.
I don't think he likes it. He vomited. I told you. He does not like it. He
Good.
do not like it.
Did you like my French
Guys,
toast?
make sure your dad never gets milk. Otherwise, he'll never come back. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Like and subscribe. I don't want to cherry.
I'm gonna eat my cherry.
I don't want to because I just don't want to.
Sliced cherry.
Don't even try to give it